Welcome everyone, Jonas Walters, Distribution Account Manager here at Logitech. Welcome to our vlog series. Today we're unboxing the Brio. I've got Andy Roush talking little speeds and feeds behind the scenes. Excited to bring you more information. If you like it, please like it, share it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time.
Yeah, well, thanks, Jonas. It's great to be with you here, everybody. Andy Roush from our Logitech Video Collaboration Channel Practice. Today we're speaking to the Brio specifically. If you joined the last episode, you would have learned a little bit about why Logitech in general, a little bit about why Logitech Video Collaboration. If you ever need any support in any of these conversations, whether it's our webcams, our headsets, or more in-depth conversations around conference rooms, and really how this whole ecosystem of products ties together, please put us to work. That's what we're here to do, is support you in those conversations. And today we're speaking to Brio specifically, and this Brio is our number one selling webcam, and it's our top performer as far as technology goes. Brio's a 4K, up to 4K camera at 30 or 60 frames per second, or 1080p at up to 90 frames per second, all the way down the line as far as 720p and 90 frames per second for really smooth frame rates to make it look really smooth. Things like Bright Light 3 is a feature that's very popular with our cameras. Bright Light 3 is basically there to make sure that in any lighting condition you're going to look your best, whether that's low light conditions or heavily sunlit conditions, or just some dark shadowy phone booth that you had to jump into for a quick meeting with one of your colleagues these days. Wherever you find yourself having meetings, it can be a mixed bag of conditions. So having technology that's adaptive to those scenarios is really important, and tools to manage them, specifically like our LogiTune application, which is a new tool that we've released specifically for our webcams, to where you've got some real-time control and some really cool features as far as filtering goes, adjusting your field of view of your camera, so you can go anywhere from 65 to 78 to 90 degree field of view, depending on how much of your environment you want to be visible to whoever you're meeting with. And so really all of this is designed to kind of fit into one large ecosystem of products that's going to make it very smooth to have your meetings, whatever condition you're in. And these days, depending on what your work from home environment may look like, that can become very crucial as far as having gear that can keep up with that and make that an optimal experience for you. Specifically things like Bright Light 3, like I mentioned, the control of those field of view options, and specifically things like the mics on the Brio. So I'm on the Brio camera right now, like I mentioned, and one of the things that makes Brio different and better is the dual omnidirectional microphones that are noise canceling on the Brio. So what you're not getting right now in the background of my audio is my next door neighbor blowing his leaves way too close to my house, and it seems like he never seems to miss an important meeting for me. So having that function is pretty important at sometimes. If you've got a new baby like my wife and I do, and they tend to make an audio cameo in the background, that can be important as well. So having noise cancellation features, having control of how your lighting conditions look, and then things like having it certified for things like Microsoft Teams, Skype for Business, Windows Hello. These are all enterprise and beyond standards that a lot of these organizations set for their products, right? So having products that are certified to work with those applications and work with some of that functionality is pretty important as well. So with that, I'll pass it off to my good friend Pat Taylor, who's our lead on the Ingram Micro side, as far as speaking to kind of why Brio's been so popular, how we're kind of finally entering back into some very healthy stock positions, and how he can continue to be a resource for you as well. So we'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode. And with that, I'll pass it over to Pat.
Hey, Andy, thank you so much. It's good to see you again, my friend. And thank you to all our partners for joining us once again. As far as the market development perspective with Logitech and how Ingram can add value to our customers, the Brio is the top of the line Logitech desktop webcam currently. It's packed with industry firsts. It's the best business webcam you can buy on the market currently. It's a high ASP value. MSRP runs at $199.99. Ingram is back, thankfully fully in stock, and there is also general sales promotions ongoing on Logitech Brio. We have plenty more inventory coming to all our hubs. So we're ready for all of your customers' business, and we're here to support you with the Logitech team at ingrammicro.com. And I think with that, we're going to kick it off to the unboxing and kick it back to Jonas. So thank you again.
Oh, thanks, Pat. I appreciate it. And Andy, thanks for the warm introduction too, as well, to Pat. Really great. Anyway, some great things about working at Logitech. Obviously, is we get our hands on some of these products before anybody else. And I remember the first time I got a Brio, back when I first started, it was like a kid in a candy store on this. So without further ado, we'll kind of open it up here. As you can see, packaged very nicely in this, nice and tight, so you don't have to worry about shipping or anything like that. Take it out of the thing, and the first thing you notice is this adaptive mount to it. This adaptive mount is actually super nice, can mount to any laptop screen and or external monitor, wherever you want to put your camera. Very much movable and going around. You can adjust to your liking as you see it and set up the Brio itself. What else is in the box? A lot of other goodies here today. So, easy plug and play camera. I believe this is about 6.5 feet. So anywhere that you need to set this up, this cable will be able to set up. And again, very, very mobile, that if you need to, are you that hybrid worker, going from home, going to the office, we also include a nice carrying case for you. So easily you can transport it in there as well. Last but not leastly is actually the privacy cover that comes in this one. This is a nice little clip privacy cover. Obviously you can leave it on. I have mine on, of course, at all times. Simply covers the camera when you're finished. In case you're ever worried about somebody hacking into that camera, you want to make sure that we have that privacy cover. So with that said, thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. As you saw, the Brio, as am I on the Brio itself. Like Andy was saying, cameras that we use personally here at Logitech, camera really of choice for employees, in my opinion. Thank you again for joining us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We got our contact information is below. Excited about actually next episodes that we're going to be talking about how to profit with Logitech, the battle card episode. So looking forward to that. Hopefully you guys stay tuned and join that. Please like and subscribe. Do it now.